There are 3 flavors in the package, and we will try the orange one first. Let's open it now and sip of the wonderful bouquet from inside. Ah, very pleasing. It has a light orange blossom smell, with just a hint of vanilla. Very pleasing indeed. Before one tastes such fortune cookies, as any good fortune cookie-nologist knows, you must cleanse your palate with a bit of water. Very pleasing. Okay, upon a first bite, we will check the crunch. Oh, very pleasing. Then the first flavor. Has a very light orange flavor. Very pleasing indeed. Perhaps there is a fine balance between the sugars involved. Oh, and the wonderful essence of the blessed oranged fruit. Upon full flavor of the orange, I would say it's very successful.